If you're installing a new Sensi thermostat and need a common wire or C-wire to complete your installation, the third option we'll walk through is installing an Emerson Thermostat Common Wire kit. Before you follow the steps in this video, be sure you've watched the video of the first option of using an extra unused wire as a C-wire and the video of the second option to use your G-wire as a C-wire. If these first two options do not work for you, in most cases installing an Emerson Thermostat Common Wire kit is the best solution. This option is compatible with most HVAC systems, however it will not work with two-wire heat-only systems. If you have a two-wire heat-only system, you will need to add a 24 VAC external transformer to properly install your Sensi thermostat. This is not one of the main C-wire options we will be covering in our video tutorials, but you can get more information on using a 24 VAC external transformer by visiting the support section of SensiComfort.com and searching 24 VAC external transformer. This thermostat common wire kit will allow you to reconfigure your existing wires at your thermostat and furnace without needing to run a new wire throughout your home. You can purchase the Emerson Thermostat Common Wire Kit on our website at SensiComfort.com or on Amazon. First, you'll want to turn the power to your system off. If you need help with this step, go to the support section of SensiComfort.com and search "How do I turn off power to my HVAC?" for how to properly power off your system. After confirming power is off, remove your current thermostat from its base plate. Be sure to take a photo of the current wire connections for reference. Also, keep in mind that the wire colors are not important. Your color scheme may be different from ours. The important part is to pay attention to which terminals each of the wires are connected to. Let's prepare the wires at your thermostat base plate. Find and install the Common Wire Kit's directional diode. This is the part that has one blue wire on one side and yellow and green wires on the other side. Disconnect the wire attached to your Y terminal and connect the single blue diode wire to the Y wire with a wire nut. Find the Sensi wire labels that came with your thermostat. Label the green diode wire with the G wire label. Label the yellow diode wire with the Y wire label. When using the Common Wire Kit, we are going to use the G wire as the C wire, so remove the wire from the G terminal and label it as the C wire. Label any remaining wires with the provided Sensi wire labels as you detach them one by one from your old thermostat base plate. You will now have an extra wire available at the thermostat location. Now let's head to your furnace to install the Thermostat Common Wire Kit's reassembly box. All furnaces have a door or panel you can remove to gain access to the system control terminal board. Sometimes this door slides off, and other times there are small screws you need to remove. Once inside, look for the furnace control board. On this board you will see terminals with the same wires from your thermostat base plate. These terminals will include labels such as Y, W, R, G, and C. Before moving any wires, take a photo of the control board terminals and wire connections for reference. After locating these terminals, secure the Thermostat Common Wire Kit box close to the terminal board with a couple of short screws. Now attach the wires from the wire box to the terminals. On most control boards, you simply loosen the screw, insert the exposed wire to the side of the screw, and tighten. Attach the red wire from the box to the R terminal. Attach the brown common wire from the box to the C terminal. Just like the process at the thermostat, move the wire that is in the G terminal to the C terminal and secure it along with the box's brown wire. When attaching these wires to the C terminal, note that there may already be a wire or wires connected to this terminal. For instance, if you have a humidifier, it may be connected to the C terminal. If this is the case, simply add your new wires, but be sure to leave the existing wire or wires connected as well. Remove the wire in the Y terminal, and in its place secure the yellow wire from the box to the Y terminal. Attach the green wire from the box to the G terminal. Finally, attach the blue wire from the box to the wire you removed from the Y terminal with a wire nut. Replace your furnace door panel. Be sure to replace it correctly, as most furnaces will not operate unless the door is on correctly. Congratulations! With this wire reconfiguration complete, you can use the Cincy mobile app to complete your installation. Once back in the Cincy mobile app, when selecting what terminals have wires attached, you can now select C to reflect the new C wire you just added.